We're just about to leave Chudley. We've been camped here for 5 days. We're just packing up. This is our lovely little creek, which was real nice. Not one person here while we're here. But I want to actually show you beautiful water. I want to show you peridot when it's sitting in its larva. I'll show you there's little patches of it in the rocks. Let's get some nice stuff. That's it there. If I go like that, you might be able to see it a bit better. Little crystals. Little crystals in the rocks. So there's heaps of it around, but it's tiny, tiny stuff. This is how it's formed. When the larva comes out of the ground, there's pockets of different minerals that produce peridot, and when it cools, those minerals cool probably before the larva, and the larva cools around them. Anyway, it's very hard to find big peridot. It's lots and lots of little stuff. Cool place. Oh, this is we're getting to the bottom of this sieve here, and I just want to show you how to recognise the peridot in the sieve when you're sieving. So I usually get it to go up here. That's actually a bit of moonstone there. What we're looking for is like a, see, these are quite rounded and rough looking. We're looking for sharp or flat edged things. That looks like it could be, even though it's brown, looks like almost like broken glass. So if I nip off, and you can actually see the glassiness of that, so that's how we know peridot there. And I see here's actually a nice, quite a green bit. I'll just wet it so we can see it a bit better. That's actually obviously been broken not that long ago because it's not covered in the brown dirt. And so we're looking through, and imagine shards of glass. Because peridot's sort of hard, it doesn't take on, there we go, there's another bit there, it doesn't take on the dirt as much as a piece of glass would. I'll just wet that as well, see if we can see it a bit better. Oh yeah, we don't have to nip that one because it's there, but it's also attached to a bit of rock. And I can see up here a bit of spinel, which you'll find. That's quite cool. Not super precious, not what we're after, but it's black and reflects light quite well. And that looks like another bit of spinel. That could be peridot as well. Glassy look. Oh, there we go. And that's a real classic. Sharp, glassy look edges. And if I give it a wee nip, I want to break it. You can see it. You can see the glassiness of it there. Yeah. And that's how you pick it out. Here we are. This is actually a peridot I found not long ago. I think you can see the green coming through there. And this is where I've been working. I dowsed to find this hole, and this is where I'm sieving. One way, these are bits and pieces of peridot. The best way to find out if it really is to get a pair of pliers, have a pair of pliers with you, and because they're quite often covered in brown dirt, have a pair of pliers and just nip the edges off them, and if it looks like glass then it's probably peridot.